Hi, I'm Andrew Garretts with Environmental Tillage Systems, and I'm going to be covering the pre-season maintenance of a dry fertilizer machine, starting here at the hitch point. Inspect the cart hitch point and hardware. Check all hydraulic hoses for leaks or damage. Inspect all connectors at the tractor and clean any connectors that may have become dirty. If equipped with cart steering, lubricate hitch plates and ensure the hitch is free to move and will not pinch or damage any hydraulic lines or wire harnesses during operation. Check lug nuts on cart duals and wing wheels if equipped. Check air pressure using sidewall markings for tires' recommended air pressure. Open the meter roll inspection doors, rear meter inspection doors, and meter collector bottoms to make sure meters are free of any obstructions, and to check the doors' foam gaskets. Any damaged foam must be replaced in order to maintain fertilizer rate accuracy. Some machine configurations, such as a 12-row machine utilizing an 8-port meter body, will have block-off plates and plastic caps covering the unused ports. These block-off plates and caps should be removed to ensure that no fertilizer has built up in the ports. Also, inspect the caps for any damage. Check meter drive chains, lubricate or replace if needed, grease meter shaft bearings, and inspect the meter shaft encoders. Inspect any caps on the fan distributor. Check fertilizer delivery hoses from the fertilizer fan to the row units. Inspect the fertilizer tank lid gasket and latch. Lid should be smooth where it meets the lid gasket. The latch should lock down firmly. Adjust linkage if necessary. Inspect air compressor's air filter located on the compressor head. Open the air compressor drain valve to remove any water in the system. Service the remote-controlled regulators utilizing the steps in the operator's manual or our SoilWarrior regulator inspection video on YouTube. Grease the cart frame hitch pivot if using cart steering. Grease lift arm pivots. The rear lift arm pivot point can be greased with the toolbar all the way up and tilted all the way up. Make sure to use the lift and tilt locks before going under the machine. Grease the zone cleaners while the toolbar is tilted all the way up. Inspect the row unit hardware. Grease the 2 forward pivot points of the row units. Tilt the toolbar lower to check hub preloads, hub oil, and coulter conditions. Be sure to use safety locks. You can also use our YouTube maintenance videos to check your preloads, hub oil, and coulter condition. Tilt the toolbar all the way down. Inspect rolling baskets. Grease remaining X row unit pivot pins. Grease wing pins. Inspect field and safety lighting for proper function. Make sure the machine is free of any bystanders. Run an air cart test to check for proper meter and fertilizer fan function utilizing the test page on the SWCM Diagnostics menu. Follow on-screen prompts.
Thanks for watching this service video. Call Environmental Tillage Systems with any questions or to order parts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more videos. Find additional information on SoilWarrior.com.